Whakalofa te Makau, Mawhala. We're here in Rotorua. Te mai e mawhahako ke oki, ke whiawhia. It's pretty busy here. Just trying to do our redeem tickets online because the line is shorter. Why you were going up? $319 for 3 kids and 2 adults. Man, just 2 minutes ago, the line was short, but because someone wanted to go to the toilet, the line's super long now. Oh, look at this. Super long line. All good, we'll see you when we get up there. Just people need to relax. It's important to learn how to relax. I don't know why people are stressing out.
I look like an egg.
So people just need to chill. Yeah, all good.
Oh, I'd love to.
Yeah, but we'll get there. Paid the cash, so just gotta get up there.
When you pull it back, it's breaking. So when you pull it forward, it goes? No, pull it out, that's what it's. There's a part of the bucket. Let's see.
Whakalofa te Makau. On the gondola now. What's this? The Skylift. Had our first trip down. Jackson, how was your first trip?
It was good. I did it all by myself.
That was his first go by himself. In Rotorua now, it's nice and cool, nice and sunny. Good to get away from work. Bit stressful, just running around. So we're on a little of just a few days down in Rotorua for the school holidays. This is the first time we've done school holidays. We've come down on school holidays. We usually come during the school term.
Oh, this is relaxing me. I might just
it's way busier.
Yeah.
Lovey. But good to get out. Tauka though. So we're lucky that we got we can afford to come.
Yeah, don't drop.
5 of us. Just lucky. Yeah, expensive but worth it. We would usually go to Niue or Thailand, but yeah, that's a bit too out of our price range now. But if you look at this is where we're at. My mom currently in Niue right now.
No, we're not going that high.
So good luck to her. None of us could go up with her this time. It's just too short notice.
Fall on that green pad.
We were just there in April, then she went in June, and now she's there in July. So I think she's got court today. So best luck to her. Best luck to my mom today. Bit stressful. That seems to be a hot topic in Niue now. Court stuff.
Can I just fall right now? I don't want to go that high.
But yeah, I guess that's what's got to be done. Find out in court who's right and who's wrong.
And socks.
And all the stress that comes along with it. So
close my eyes.
That's an interesting thing. As for us here in New Zealand, we're looking at trying to figure out our family reunion for my Alofi family.
Down there.
And hopefully do the next Low More family reunion in Auckland, New Zealand.
Can I just fall right now?
But yeah, this is us. Good to get out.
Dad.
So on our trip to save some money, we've been going to Pack and Save. O Motolu ke supermarket, Pack and Save to save some tupe. We went to the bakery this morning to save some tupe. Because tauka e tau mena kai i whale. The cost of food up in the gondola is pretty pricey. I mean, it tastes better here, but yeah, just that's what we're trying to do to save some money. What else? Even though we're trying to save some money, we got the family pass for you get the gondola ride and you get 5 rides on the luge. So that cost $319. Saved a bit of money there, but now I think we might try and do the zip line or something else before we go. Something that we haven't done before.
Dad, you didn't make it break.
In my last video, you would have seen us at the Sons of Val play, which was awesome. Good movie to watch. Movie
Dad, you
play.
better not make this
Yeah,
break.
that was awesome. Everyone seemed to love it, and yeah, it just reminded me of how my dad was raised with his dad. Strict. You're kind of being raised. They raise you, mold you into a certain way, to how they want you to be, rather than let you be yourself. Yeah, but no. This is us for now. Hired a car to come down. Which was awesome. So just, man, the ride down was way better than driving our family car.
This is so relaxing.
And having a nice hotel to come to, or lodge. It's been revamped. It's nice. Yeah, but these lines though on the luge, man, everyone rushing to get through, everyone trying to get ahead. It's like, just relax. Take it easy. Enjoy the view. You know, I was thinking, man, I would prefer to come when it's not busy, but at the same time, coming with when it's busy, it's good because it makes the day go longer. So, you know, it can stretch out the day. Because straight after we finish this, we'll be straight to a restaurant to eat, or straight to do something else, or straight back to the devices at home. You know, momohila. Manako ke osi screen time. E whiloto ki kisia tau tamahaku ke aong e tau iPad mo computer mo video games. You know, it's gonna skelea lahi for the brain. So yeah, that's the goal. Talaange o ki tau tamahaku ke whanu ke tatou. Is that how you say read? Go and tatou e tau tohi, read the books. Tau se tau whale ngā hoa, do the chores, home chores. And yeah, and whawhawsino, go do some exercise. So next term, I think, you know, over time, my kamata e tau tamahaku ke pihia seva. So, but that's all good. We could change that. You know, we could make that a change. So that's the plan. Yeah, and the skylift is very, very relaxing. This is probably the only time I can speak on the chat, because it's just too busy. Longa tau tangata, longa tau tūtala, e mitaki ke langona e tala.
Please reach it.
Yeah, you can see some people coming around. Alright, we've done one. We've got 4 more rides to go.
Yeah.
And then we'll see you back.
We have a camera.
Okay, tot veel. Alofa to Macau. We just come to this restaurant for lunch / afternoon tea. The last time we came here with Steph and her family, and they stayed at the Holiday Inn. So it's a bit of a reminisce, same place, but there's a lot more Asian on offer up here. So yeah, that's us. This is the braised duck with coconut. Looks good. See how it tastes. Okay, just in the meat section. You know, the oranges down here taste better than the oranges in the pack and save we got up in Auckland, because I brought some oranges down from Auckland, and it was, yeah, the ones down here much sweeter. So I don't know where they're getting their produce from, but shot Rotorua. And yeah, their meat looks fresh too. Just wondering why is that. We're here at the golf with the bunnies. Bloody windy as down here. Is the bunny down there? Oh, there he is.
It's very cute.
Very cute. check this place out. It's a good good family event to come to. Pass. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you get many people coming through?
Yes, heaps.
Gee.
Yesterday was too busy. I worked from 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m.
Ooh.
And we made 9.5 yesterday.
Wow.
So we were really busy. I was completely naked once I hit my bed that night. But I've already seen bookings for Saturday. We are completely booked out.
Jackson.
Do not blink.
Jackson, what did you think of the golf?
Amazing.
Mitaki? Would you recommend it to other people?
Huh?
Would you recommend other people coming? Would you recommend it for other people?
Mom, you got 76.
Andy, Andy, do you recommend other people doing this golf?
Yeah. In 3.
More Rotorua thermal hot pools. We just came back from a 3D art gallery and the kids loved it. This place is free. It's on the way back to our motel. Everyone who's been to Rotorua has probably been here. Doesn't smell too bad. It would be nice to do a little umu over there. I'm here at the Waiariki Hot Springs and Spa. This place is flash as. That's by the Rotorua Wharf. Might have to come back here without the kids. Just checking out everywhere in Rotorua. This is Waiariki from the outside. And that's the waterfront there. Walk this way down, walking down to the back to the park. I think they got a food show going on, so hopefully that's open. We're a bit early. It's only 3 o'clock right now. So we'll just go see if they've got any food stalls open.